Alexander the Great died in 323 BC. Alexander the Great died in 323 BC. Look at this, BC. What does this mean? Do you know? Well, the history of the world can be divided into two periods, okay? BC and AD. Okay, BC is before Jesus and AD is after Jesus. Okay, BC stands for before Christ. Okay, Christ is another name for Jesus. And AD stands for Anno Domini, which means in the year of our Lord. Okay, Lord is also another name for Jesus. Okay, so Jesus is the middle, and then there's two sides of history, okay, BC and AD. Now, some people don't like Jesus, and they don't like those religious terms, so they came up with these terms instead. Okay, so you might be reading a science textbook or something, and you'll probably see these terms if it's a new book. If it's an old book, you'll probably see BC and AD. Okay, but here are the new ones. BCE and CE. BCE stands for Before Common Era, and CE stands for Common Era. Okay, it's the exact same thing. It still uses the same reference point, which is Jesus, but they've just taken out the religious language from those terms. So now it's just BCE and CE. Okay, for example, we could say this. The Roman Empire lasted from 31 BCE to 476 CE. Wow, look at this. This is the Roman Colosseum. Wouldn't that be nice to go visit that? I've never been to Rome. I'd like to go to Rome. I know a lot of people who have been there. It looks really beautiful. I'd love to go visit that area. That'd be a lot of fun. Okay, so a lot of religions believe that Adam and Eve were the first people to live on the earth. A lot of people believe this. Now, when do you think Adam and Eve lived? Do you think it was 5,000 BC or 10,000 BC? Now, a lot of people believe that the universe started with a big explosion. Okay, and that explosion is called the Big Bang. Now, I looked on Google to see when the Big Bang happened, and Google told me this. It said that the Big Bang happened 13.7 billion years ago. Wow, that's a long, long time ago. Hey, I want to know, in your religion, how did the world begin? What's the story of the origin of the world in your culture or in your religion? I'd be really interested and curious to know what that story is. So let me know down there in the comments, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.